Korea Premium Ingredient elevates the macaron experience with authentic craftsmanship. Our macaron features a 4-centimeter rich filling that highlights true Korean quality. Korea macaron stands out for its natural milk butter, diverse flavors, and global scalability. We show 3 key points of Korea macaron. Point 1. The Ttungcaron offers a clean and rich taste using 100% natural milk butter. Our authentic French recipe combined with 100% milk butter enhances every bite. Point 2. A wide selection of flavors and colors allows consumers to find the macaron that suits their taste. Diverse flavors and vibrant colors broaden the consumer choice spectrum for personalized enjoyment. Point 3. Halal certification enables expansion into Middle Eastern and Southeast Asian markets with confidence. Our HACCP-Certified facility ensures safe, high-quality production trusted by global customers. For inquiries or partnership opportunities, please contact us